Second grade, we're going to use concrete models to measure the length of objects in inches. Okay. Or you're just using inch models to measure length. Okay. So use colored tiles to measure the length. You can get out quietly and not play with them. If we play with these colored tiles, stop touching them for a minute. If we play with these colored tiles and we try to organize them and all that, you're going to put them away, and then I don't know how you're going to do your homework. Because you need these to do your work. We are not playing with them. So for right now, I want you to just take out like 10 of them, and that's it. No more than that. Okay? It doesn't matter what colors, no. Grab them out, count them, put them on your desk. Shut the baggie when you're done. Use your little tiles to put on top. You start at the edge of one line because you always need to start at the edge of this line. Whenever you measure, you must measure at the line first. So put your tile, one tile right there, and then keep putting them right there until you have no more room at the end of the other side of the tile. Put more until you're at the end, please. This edge needs to be right on that edge's line. Got it? Okay, about how many tiles? Now this may not be exact, but about how many tiles did it take to do that first line, guys? 3. Okay, so write 3 tiles. 3 color tiles. Then you guys can do the next 2. Yeah, take them off and do the next 2. Do the next 2. Write down your answers once you got them, please. Okay. How many color tiles did it make on the maroon or the black pipe cleaner? 4. And how many on the, it looks purple to me, purple pipe cleaner? 2. Okay. Boys and girls, those color tiles that you have are about 1 inch long. So here's a ruler right here. Okay. The inches, they're the ones that are, the numbers that are spaced a little bigger on a ruler. Okay. If I were to take Lene's color tile and I were to put it right here on the 0 to the 1, it's 1 inch long. Okay. It goes from 0 to the 1. Okay. I will show you. See, from the 0 line to the 1. It's about 1 inch long. 0 to 1. See how it's touching the 1 at the end? Gracie, can you come up here real quick? 0 to the 1. See how it's right there on the 1? Okay. 0.21. 0.21. 0.21. Okay. So you got these are 1 inch tiles. All right. So about how many inches long was that string? Look at how many tiles there are, guys. How many inches? 4. It's about 4 inches long. All right. I think you guys can do this on your own. Since those are inch tiles, you're just going to call them inches now instead of calling them tiles long. You're going to just say inches long. You're going to do share and show with your partner. On your own, on your own. Let's look at problem number 11. It's 13 and 14. Or in 12 and 13. Okay. Boys and girls, number 12, or 11, well, 12 and 11 and 12, says look in your classroom. Find 2 objects that are about 2 inches long. Draw and label the objects. So, how many tiles would 2 inches long be? 2. So you're going to have to take basically 2 of your tiles and find something around the classroom that is this long. Okay? So, that's too long still. I don't know what you're going to find exactly.
Oh, I know. Ooh, I got one.
A magnet maybe is close to 2 inches long. Okay? Or maybe some of your erasers are 2 inches long. Okay? So you could write eraser and draw it. Okay? 2 things around the room. Okay? Stop. We're not going right now. You guys can do this on your own. Okay? Number 13. Let's read it. Liza has a piece of ribbon that is 12 inches long. She needs to cut it into pieces that are 4 inches long. How many pieces can she make? All right. Here's what I want you to do. On your desk, line up 12 of your tiles. Line them up. You have to get 2 out. Yes, 2 more out. Line them up in a single line. Okay, I see most of you have your lines already. Okay, so that's how long her ribbon is. Pretend like that's the ribbon that Liza made, or has, okay? She has a ribbon that's 12 inches long. That's what you made, okay? Now, she wants to cut it. But how she wants to cut it is she wants to cut it 4 inches, okay? So what do you think you're going to do if she wants to cut it 4 inches? What can you do to help us see how this is going to work? Don't remove 4 pieces. Just maybe move 4 pieces like over a little bit. Okay? Like you cut it. Move them over a little bit like you cut it. Okay? Move them over like you cut them. Okay, so she cut that one in 4, right? Can we cut it again for another 4?
Yeah.
Okay, do it. Cut it again. Can we cut it again after that?
Yeah.
Another 4. Can we cut it again another 4?
Yes. It's already.
It's already 4. Can you cut it anymore?
No.
No. Okay? No, you can't cut anymore. How many pieces will she have after she cut it? Cut it, guys.
3.
3. 3 pieces. She can only make 3 pieces of 4. Okay? Alright, and then I will have you guys do number 14. Okay? No, on your own.